Hey everybody, today I'm going to explain what a child theme is and why you should be using one. So with that said, let's get right into it. Creating a child theme when performing adjustments to your theme's code can save you a lot of future headaches. By creating a child theme, you create a separate set of files that you can use to customize the theme without affecting the original theme at all. Not only does this make updating easier, it also makes sure that you will never ruin your original theme as you're never actually modifying the files. Plus, you can always turn off your child theme and fall back on the original. In this example, we'll be creating a child theme for the 2017 theme. First things first, we need to create a new folder for your child theme. We'll name it something like 2017-child. Within your new theme folder, create a file called style.css. Now paste in this information at the top, and if you want, you can check out the blog post in the description so you can copy and paste. Make sure the template parameter correctly identifies the name of your parent theme. The next step is to include your parent and child theme style sheets. In other words, the child theme style sheet will be used to create styling in addition to the parent theme. In order to do this, we'll need to create another file within the root of the child theme folder. We'll name this file functions.php and then add the following code into the file. To avoid loading a style sheet twice and slowing down load time, you need to make sure that the parent style tag is replaced with the same tag used by your parent theme for its WP and Q style call. To find it, we can open up the parent theme and open up the functions.php file and do a quick search for WP and Q style. And if you have multiple calls like I do, make sure you find the one that has get_stylesheet_URI. Since in this example we're creating a child theme for the 2017 theme, you would replace the parent style tag with 2017-style, as you can see right here. Each theme will be different, so make sure you get this tag name correct. After you've created your child theme folder, style.css file, and functions.php file, we can now upload and activate the new child theme. The good news is that uploading and activating a child theme is no different than a normal theme. If you didn't create your child theme folder in your root directory like I did, you would just need to zip up the folder, go to Appearance, Themes, and add new, upload theme, and add the zip file right here. And as you can see right here, here is my 2017 child theme. Go ahead and activate that. Because all we've done is import the original theme CSS, the theme will look exactly like the original. To modify your theme CSS, you can add any changes to your child theme CSS file after the style sheet header, which you can see right here. All new CSS information is added after the original theme's CSS is loaded. Because our new CSS is located below the originals in the file, all new CSS styles will overwrite the originals. If you look at my site title, you'll see it's currently black. If I go into my child theme and add this little bit of code right here, the site title is now red. But if I go back and activate the original parent theme, the title is back to black. Functions.php is where a theme's main functions are typically stored. A parent theme's functions are always loaded with the child theme. The new functions will be loaded right before the parent theme's functions. If you need to add more custom functions to your theme, then you can do so in the functions.php file we created in your child theme folder. You would do so right in between here. Beyond CSS and functions modifications, you can also make structural changes to your theme by adjusting the PHP template files. This should be done with care, but by editing the PHP files, you can adjust any part of the theme. Unlike editing the functions.php, where the original theme's functions are imported automatically, PHP files are edited by replacing the file entirely with a new one. The theme's original file is ignored and the new one is used instead. The first thing we need to do is replicate the old file before we start to modify. To do this, simply copy and paste the theme's original file into your child theme folder, ensuring that the file name and location is exactly the same. WordPress knows how to use this file in place of the old one because its name and location are the same. We can then open the file and make any necessary changes. And just to demonstrate, I'm literally going to put the word hi above the header. Of course, this is just to demonstrate the fact that the header.php from your parent theme is not being used, but rather the one from your child theme. And that's it. You now have a working child theme on your WordPress site. If you're having difficulty wrapping your head around the creation of the child theme folder, then you could use the one-click child theme plugin to do it with one click. I'll leave a link to this down below. If this video helped you in any way, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social platforms to keep up to date with our new content. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.